Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick first impressions of the new 2019 Kindle Oasis. I had an old Paperwhite from 2013. It does have a crack on the screen, so I was like, you know what, they have a great deal going on where they're giving you a 20% off coupon, and the 20% off coupon plus a monetary value of 25 to I think it's $5 to $25. I also bought this case. This is like an official Amazon case. I just wanted to do a video on it because I feel like the pictures look really great, and it's such a nice bright red. So I was like, let me check it out. The deal also, they allowed you to pay the Kindle off in installments, of $59 a month. It's $59 for the 32 gig. That's the one I got. And this is the graphite color. Wow, so this is like really simple. Just came with the wire, which is, well, you can't see it, micro USB, and here it is. And it comes with a little card, I guess. Right off the bat, feels pretty good. I was it's a little bit heavier than I thought it would be, though. It is heavy, definitely. I mean, it's noticeably lighter than this, obviously, because that case has like a hard plastic case. But wow, it does feel very premium. And this is the graphite. I was gonna get the champagne, but it looked a little too girly for me. The buttons feel incredible. Like, they feel perfect. Just trying to get a feel for it. It is kind of heavy, not gonna lie to you. I was expecting it to be lighter, but it does feel good in the hand. The weight is really balanced, if you're one-handing it. And the screen is very crisp. I mean, compared to this one, you can tell. You can tell that, the older Paperwhite, the screen is not as nice. Really like the flush screen. And I saw a lot of comments about quality. I don't really see any blemishes, any issues with the corners of the screen or anything like that. Because I did see some people were complaining that quality control wasn't that good, blah blah. I don't know. I've never had a problem with any of the Kindles I bought, and I've had about 4 of them. Really cool that they included this wire. I have a ton of them, though. This is the official case, and it looks so good. So this is a water-safe fabric cover. So this is it. It's really nice and red. Feels kind of like denim. Oh, they have some instructions in case you don't know how to put it in there. So you just slide it in like this. It fits real tight. It's not coming under there. Yeah. It is pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm surprised at how heavy it is. But the screen real estate looks, I know it's only an inch, but it looks a lot nicer. Like, maybe it's just because it's squared, but it does look pretty cool. Let's power this bad boy on. Nice. Wow, the screen looks incredible. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to really show off this case, to be honest. I didn't really see anybody showing off this beautiful red case. And it has magnets. And it also has magnets in the back, or is it the same magnets? But feels pretty good though. The buttons feel great. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Just a short video. Bye.